Oh, bro, when he doubled it.
Let's go.
I'm putting the hangman down for a second.
No freaking way, I just doubled that. Perfect timing. Wait, what? There's 160 back there. There's at least 160 back there.
Come on, big
That's
eye.
16 grand.
Come on.
Come on. Please, I've never had a big win on this ever.
Oh, it looks decent.
Wait. That thing looks pretty big.
It's massive! It's massive! Oh, massive! Come on! 27x and we've seen the tip!
Oh my god, please be big. Be massive.
It's gonna be huge!
Be huge, please.
That's already $2,000 bucks.
Go! Go!
Stop!
How much is that?
That's
$4,000.
$4 grand!
Yes!
Come on!
Oh my god, that thing is huge!
No freaking way!
That's 4,200. Wait,
What was the biggest number? What was the biggest number?
180. That's 6 grand! Oh! Go! Go! Way! Go! 6 grand! 7 grand! 8! 9! 10 grand! 30 grand! 40 grand! Oh my god! 70 grand! Yes!
Get exclusive bonuses now. Link in bio.